Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get Zephyr in Warframe. Zephyr is a Warframe that is obtained entirely through clan research. First, make sure you are already in a clan, and if you are not in one, open the chat window and go to Recruiting tab and look for a clan that is inviting new players. Once you have joined a clan, craft your Clan Dojo key in the Foundry and enter your clan's dojo from the navigation menu. Just go to your navigation and go to your dojo. And inside the dojo, locate the Tenno Lab. This is where several Warframes are researched and purchased at the Tenno Lab console. Scroll down and look for Zephyr. If the research is already completed, you can directly purchase Zephyr's main blueprint, chassis, neuro-optics, and system using credits. If the research is not completed yet, start the research and wait for it finish. After purchasing all of Zephyr's blueprint, just gotta go to your Foundry and craft each component. Once all parts are finished, combine them to build Zephyr, and that's it. We just learned how to get Zephyr by joining a clan, accessing the Tenno Lab in the Clan Dojo, purchasing her research blueprints, and crafting her in the Foundry. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video